Let's get started. So you've imported a video clip and an image into your project, and you want to overlay that image onto the video. Easy peasy. First things first, drag your video clip from the project bin and drop it onto the V1 track on the timeline. Got it! Great. Now grab the image you want to overlay and simply drag it above the video clip onto the V2 track. Perfect! You're almost there. To see the overlaid image in action, just make sure the playhead, that little vertical line thing is positioned over the image on the timeline. I want to fine-tune the position of your image in the video, easy as pie. With the selection tool, you can drag your image clip around to reposition it wherever you like. If the duration of the image overlay needs adjusting, no problemo. Grab either end of the image clip and drag it to make it play for as long or as short as you want. Oh, and resizing the image is a breeze too. Just double-click on the image in the video preview to select it, and then you can use the sizing handles to make it bigger or smaller to your heart's content. Need to shift the image's position within the frame? No worries. Just drag the middle of the image around in the preview window until it's in the perfect spot. And there you have it. That's all you need to know for this tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time. Happy editing!